Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates.
Hello everyone, in this video we will be discussing how you can check your Haryana Board Class 10th and 12th result 2020. The result for both Class 10th and 12th is expected to be released in the last week of May 2020. Follow the steps discussed in this video to check the result in online mode. Firstly, visit the official website of Haryana Board, that is www.bseh.org.in. Now select the option of exam results. Select the option for 10th regular March 2020 or 12th regular March 2020 as per your class from the drop down menu. Now enter your roll number in the space provided and click on the submit button. The result will be displayed on your screens. Take a screenshot of it and save the result for further reference. The result will also be made available through SMS and mobile app.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and visit Careers 360 website for more details.